Good morning, you're listening to Sumaya Ansari, your news anchor from Lava Farah Media. Here we bring you latest updated news from around the world. News of 8th July 2020 are as follows. India world number 3, America number 1 in corona. India world number 3, India now ranked at number 3 among the world's most affected country with coronavirus. India on Sunday 5th July has surpassed Russia's coronavirus count as it crossed the 6.97 lakh mark. On Sunday, India reported around 24,850 new cases and 425 deaths due to coronavirus. The country has been reporting over 20,000 cases for a couple of days now. And currently, India has over 2,53,287 active cases and around 4,24,433 people have been cured. The number of deaths stands at 19,693. MHA permits universities institutions to hold examinations. Final exams compulsorily as per UGC guidelines. The Ministry of Home Affairs on Monday permitted conduct of examinations by universities and institutions. The communication comes amid numerous concerns raised by students on the exams. The Home Ministry gave its nod to conduct examinations via a letter to Union Higher Education Secretary. It also said that the final term examinations are to be compulsorily conducted as per the guidelines of the Universities Grants Commission (UGC) on examinations and academic calendar for the universities, and as per the Standard Operating Procedure (SOP) approved by the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Students across the country have been demanding postponement or cancellation of the exams amid rising coronavirus cases. They took to Twitter to voice their concerns. Some states took their call and cancelled the exams, while the others decided to conduct the examinations online. Maharashtra government to recruit 10,000 constables to ease work stress of police force. As many as 10,000 constables will be recruited to strengthen law and order in Maharashtra and ease the work stress of the police force, Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar said on Tuesday. Apart from this, an all-women battalion of the State Reserve Police Force will also be raised in Nagpur's Katol Taluka, he said. According to an official statement, the decision was taken during a meeting presided over by Pawar at the Mantralaya, which was attended by State Home Minister Anil Deshmukh and senior officials. India's COVID-19 tally crosses 7 lakh mark with 22,252 fresh cases. Death toll rises to 20,160. India's COVID-19 tally raced past the 7 lakh mark on Tuesday after a single-day spike of 22,252 infections, 5 days after crossing the 6 lakh post, while the death toll breached the 20,000 mark according to the Union Health Ministry data. To ease burden, CBSE reduces 30% syllabus for classes 9 to 12. The Central Board of Secondary Education has been asked by the Ministry of Human Resource Department to reduce the syllabus for classes 9 to 12 by 30%. The decision has been taken after asking for suggestions from stakeholders on the same. Through a tweet, the HRD minister had informed that he received over 1,500 suggestions from different stakeholders. That's all for today. I, Sumaya Ansari, take a leave from you. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.